In this video, I'm going to show you how you can fix internal server error on BBC website. So if you're trying to click or open pages on BBC website, but you are getting this 500 internal server error, and which you're told, sorry, this page is temporarily unavailable, please try again later, then there are quite a number of steps you can take to fix this. First, you need to go to your browser and try to troubleshoot it, as this might be the main reason you are experiencing this. For my case, I'm on Google Chrome, so I'll go to this 3 dots here and then look for settings option. Under settings, look for privacy and security, and under this go to delete browsing data. Here choose a length of period that you feel you have been experiencing this, so you may want to choose the last 24 hours, and then make sure you select the below options such as browsing history, cookies and other site data, cached images and files, as well as download history, and go to delete data. This will clear the browser history. Once you're done, now go to the BBC website and see if you are able to access the website as well as the articles on the website. However, if you're still experiencing this challenge, then check and see if you have any VPN on your computer or laptop. Turn it off, as this might be the reason you are experiencing this. Also check and see if you're using any security app that you recently installed on your computer. Turn it off or uninstall the app completely to see, temporarily, to see if that fixes. However, sometimes even after doing this, you might still encounter the same challenge. If you're still encountering the same challenge, try to restart your computer, and if it doesn't work, then most likely BBC website might have experienced internal server error. For that, you'll need to wait for some few minutes. Now if you come back to BBC, now everything should be up and running without any issue. So let me know which of the above was able to fix your problem. If you have any other question, kindly comment below. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.